Hi, Mark Reedy here. Just wanted to show you real quickly on TATEMS version 4.3.03, released August 23rd, 2011, the new features on the work order screen. And one of them is that we changed the printout of a work order. And on the printout, you'll notice one of the things we notice here is on a completed work order, when you choose to print it as an invoice, I'm going to say yes to print this as an invoice. And now it says invoice number instead of work order number up at the top. Let me close that. We'll go to print and we'll say no. And now it says work order number instead of invoice number. So if you choose to print as an invoice, it's going to say invoice number instead of work order number. Also, you notice that we've updated the display on these printouts to show you the year, make, model, license plate, and serial VIN number of the equipment on the work order printout. So hopefully that is useful for you as well. And you'll see that same information on the work order screen: serial number, license plate number, year, make, and model. Previously we didn't have that information. And on the printout, we've moved the warranty and recall checkboxes down to the bottom. And one final thing on the work order screen, down here where you've got your grand total, your labor and parts, previously you could type into those fields, and then if you updated and closed, it would revert back to whatever you had entered into the labor completed, parts or material used. Now you can no longer manually type into the labor, parts and material, or the grand total fields. In order to calculate those fields and get that information into those fields, just like before, you've got to go ahead and click on add parts or material used or add labor, and that fills in those fields, which in turn fills in your grand totals. Miscellaneous field you can still type into, and for miscellaneous charges, and you can also type in a discount to subtract a certain amount from your overall work order. And you can also manually put in taxes, and those are also calculated automatically for you based upon what you have in the My Company Information file under File and then My Company Information. If we update the totals, you can see here that the total is totaled based upon the miscellaneous charges minus the discount. So those are some of the changes on the work order screen and the printout, and I hope those are helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Take care.